You can make candy apples any color without wasting your ingredients like sugar and corn syrup. This candy apple tutorial is for my subscribers who are having a hard time achieving the right candy apple color. In today's candy apple tutorial, I will show my subscribers how to achieve the correct color for their candy apples. Red, black, white, and metallic gold are hard colors to master at the beginning. My preference is Hobby Lobby's gel food coloring, except one color, and that's the white. I only use Wilton's white. That's the best of the best that you're going to get. This is Wilton's white that I am using. When making white candy apples, you want to add your white last. This helps prevent your candy apples from having a tint color while the candy cooks. Therefore, add white gel food color after your candy reaches 300 degrees to get bright white candy apples. This is navy blue. I'm adding a drop of navy blue gel food color to make a sky blue. Watch how I add a few more drops to get a deeper blue. When I don't have purple gel food coloring, I just mix my colors up to achieve that color. I am going to turn this into purple. This is a deep pink gel food coloring from Hobby Lobby. Sunny Side Up Bakery gel color. I'm adding a drop or two of deep pink to achieve purple candy apples. When I'm out of purple gel food color, this is my alternative. So if you don't have the color, you can mix colors together to get the color you are trying to achieve. How awesome is this? I love experimenting with colors. Okay, so let's go with a super red gel food coloring. A lot of people have a hard time with that color as well. Super red candy apples are a difficult color to get. This is why I only use Hobby Lobby Super Red Sunny Side Up Bakery Gel color. Watch how I add this super red without adding white. This is translucent, so translucent I can see through this right down to the bottom of the candy apple pot. I need to add white to this. Just a few drops. You don't need a teaspoon or anything like that. Just a few drops. Make sure you have on gloves because this food coloring can get all over your hands. Okay, black candy apples are also a difficult color to achieve. Make sure you have on gloves when working with gel food colors. You will color your hands. I'm telling you guys, make sure you have gloves on. You just add your black and never add white. If you add white, you will get gray candy apples like this. So just add black only. Enough black to make your candy apples black and you're good. Do not add white. Our next color will be a nude color. Remember the Chanel candy apples I made? This is exactly what I did to achieve those nude color candy apples. I added white, then a drop of Hobby Lobby's chocolate gel food color. Nude colors come in different shades, so if you want nude colored candy apples to be more on the pink side, just add a drop or two of the soft pink gel food coloring to achieve the color for your candy apples. It's totally up to you, whatever color you want to achieve or for your customer. I'm going to do a recap here. I only use Wilton's white icing for white. All my white candy apples, all my white, period. Wilton's white. I love Hobby Lobby's gel food colorings, but for some reason, the big bottle of the bright white is not my preference because it alters the taste of the candy apples for some reason. Types of food Next, colors. I am making neon green candy apples. I use Wilton's white and Hobby Lobby's neon gel food coloring. So this is the Wilton's white icing color that I use. versus the Hobby Lobby's big bottle. It alters the taste for some reason to me. Maybe it's just me. But this is the neon green that I am going to add to make neon green candy apples. And you just need a drop or two. I don't usually measure because there's no need to measure color. You really don't even need a teaspoon of color. I'm telling you, just a drop or two of color. You don't want too much color because too much color will make your candy apples thick. So don't be heavy-handed. This is a pretty neon green. If you want to make a darker neon green, just add a few more drops. Another color that since I am thinking about this, another color that is kind of hard to get is royal blue. Royal blue is a tricky candy apple color. Add white, royal blue, and a drop or two of purple should get you the royal blue color. Again, wear gloves when you're using gel food colorings. So this is the royal blue, Hobby Lobby's brand. I add it to the white. Of course, this doesn't look royal blue. I'm going to add one or two more drops. And then I am going to add a drop of purple. Now watch how this purple turns this candy apple mixture or the color, because I haven't added sugar or corn syrup, so it's not candy apple mixture. This is just water and gel food coloring to show you how you can color your apples without wasting ingredients. You can get the colors. Metallic. Metallic is another color that people are having a hard time with. Make sure you shake the bottle up well. This is Chef Master's Metallic Gold. I wasn't planning on doing this, but I need to show you anyways. You don't need to add white. Again, do not add white. Your Metallic Gold candy apple should come out pretty like this gold airbrush food color. It's an airbrush food color. Watch how this settles. I want you to leave down in the comment section if you believe this candy apple tutorial will help you achieve the right colors for your candy apples. I'm so glad there's a way to practice coloring your candy apples without wasting ingredients. So all you need is your gel food coloring and water. Practice makes perfect. If you have enjoyed this candy apple tutorial, make sure you stay tuned to watch my award-winning trend-setting candy apple bow series for beginners right here on Candy Apple TV. I'll see you over in the next videos.